Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler coming back again with a short video, really quickly. You guys saw that I painted these beautiful purple. Let's see if you can see this purple beads. And when I did them kind of rustic. I kept calling them rustic. But what I decided to do was basically individually brush the paint on to give them a cleaner look. I still got some work to do to give them more of a refined look. This is 2 coats, and I'm probably going to do another coat, but I like them, and I just want to show you what I created with a couple of the pieces that I was happy with. So we got some of the barrel beads. I did some texture on the bottom of the spiral and up here. You know, when you grip the aluminum, this is gold aluminum, I think it's 15 gauge wire. When you grip it with your pliers, it makes an indentation. So I decided to go ahead and make it make it a design. So there's the bottom portion, and I gave it kind of a hammered look. So there's the earrings, right? Beautiful purple. And I decided to also do a pendant. Initially, I was trying to make this an earring, and I did a spiral down there and bent it. And I glued that in, I think. Yeah, because that won't turn. So here's what I got with the purple. Oops, let me fix this. With the purple beads. And I'm really loving the painted beads. I want to do something really different with all of these beads. I did quite a few metallics colors, so that's coming soon. But and you guys saw my earring cards that I have just created. So this is one of my testers. So anyway, there we go. Real quick, go create something amazing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.